Cook, cook, cook. So, a few days ago, he was trying to imitate a dog. And it sounded funny to me. So I asked him how would he spell the dog sound. And what did you say? Rough?
Rough.
Rough?
Rough.
As in like R-U-F-F, right?
Something like that.
So because I've heard woof. I've heard woof.
Woof, woof, woof.
So which one is it? Rough or woof?
Rough. Depends on what dog it is.
What do you mean? You don't know what dog? Seriously, I've heard woof. Woof or woof?
Woof and rough are common here in the U.S.
How do you spell woof?
W-O-O-F.
Woof. How would you say it? How would...
Woof, woof, woof. Woof, 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 woof.
So how would you say it? Would you say woof or rough?
Well, I'm imitating our dog, which is woof, woof.
So which one is it?
That's more of the woof, I think.
Woof.
But I think rough is more common.
So in Indonesian, a dog sound would be guk guk.
What kind of dogs you guys got? Guk,
Now guk 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 guk. Bali, guk guk.
Look, she doesn't
See?
acknowledge. Like, what the hell is that? Got a crazy animal in our backyard.
Doesn't it make sense to you? Guk guk. It
No.
sounds like
A little bit, a little bit. Now, the more you do it, the
Yeah,
more.
guk guk guk.
Woof, woof.
Like even people would call a dog guk guk. Oh, there's a guk guk. Oh, ada guk guk. Aduh, guguknya lucu.
Oh, there's a rough. There's
Yeah,
a rough.
something like that.
There's a rough. No, dogs don't go gook gook. Rough, yeah.
How about cats? How about, yeah, but you gotta spell it though. How do you spell it?
M-E-O-W.
M-E-O-W.
Correct.
Okay, meow. In Indonesian is meong. Meong.
No.
Yeah, meong. Meong. That's
No.
meow. Meow.
No.
Meong.
No. No, sorry.
It's M-E-O-N-G. Meongnya lucu deh. Gitu. Meong.
I never heard a cat go meow. Meow.
Meong.
Meong. No, I've never heard a cat do that before.
Meong. See? Makes sense? That's how Indonesian cats sound like.
Are you sure they're cats?
How about goats or sheeps?
Bah.
Yeah, but yeah, that's
I don't know how
that's
you
it.
spell it.
Yeah, you gotta spell it. How would you spell it?
Bah. B-A. B-A-B-A. I've never spelled. Bah.
Ba. Oh, you were right. Ba. Ba. In Indonesian is be. M-B-E-K. Be. Be.
Bah.
We don't pronounce the K. K is silent. Be. Like eh. How about a horse? What does a horse sound like? So what does the horse do when it's making noises? What does it do?
I have no idea.
Like, okay, like a dog would bark.
Correct.
A cat
Would meow.
would meow.
No,
What?
what do you call it?
Meong.
Meong. Would meong. No, I wouldn't meong. It would meow.
Okay. And what does a horse do?
There's probably a word for it, but I don't know.
Wait, what does it sound like?
Jim Carrey can do a good impersonation of a horse.
Yeah, but I need spelling though. We need spelling.
I have no
I don't-
idea about a horse.
In English, I think it's neigh.
Actually, I think you might be right.
Yeah.
But it doesn't
But-
sound like neigh.
Neigh! I'm a bad impersonator, guys.
Stick to English.
How about birds?
Chirp, chirp, chirp.
Chirp, yeah. I don't even know if there's a Indonesian word for it. Let me see. Let me Google it. Yeah, I don't even know. Suara burung seperti apa sih? Bersiul gitu ya. The verb in Indonesian is bersiul.
Yeah, we use chirp.
Chirp.
Even though I never do chirp.
Chirp, 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 chirp.
Chirp, 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 chirp.
How about a pig?
Oink, oink, oink.
Oh
So,
yeah, I've heard of that. Oink, ya. Aku sendiri nggak tahu ini suara binatang dalam bahasa Indonesia. Suara babi.
You don't know?
Guys, gimana suara babi dalam bahasa Indonesia? Nggak tahu. Sapi. Cow.
Moo.
Same. I think it's moo, right? Moo. Moo.
No, it's moo.
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 Yeah, you got crazy cows in Indo.
As
Supposed to
you-
say it how it sounds.
It does sound moo. Moo.
No, not in the U.S. They speak different language,
Yeah. Different country, different language.
different accent.
Different accent. Alright, now, duck.
Quack quack.
Quack. Same. In bahasa Indonesia, it's also quack.
Huh?
But we spell it K-W-E-K.
Sure. As long as you pronounce it right, that's the important
Quack.
thing.
K-W-E-K. How do you spell it?
I think it's Q-U-A-C-K.
Ah, okay. That makes
so.
sense. How about a chicken? Kukuruyuk.
That's a
That's more
rooster.
like a rooster. Yeah, yeah.
Well, a chicken over here, quack 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 quack.
Sure.
But we say that to make fun of people. Like,
Uh-huh.
oh, you're chicken. Quack 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 quack.
But what does a rooster sound like?
You had it right. Cock-a-doodle-doo.
No. Kukuruyuk.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
It's K-U-R-U-Y-U-K.
Cock-a-doodle-doo. C-O-C-K-A-D.
Cock-a-doodle-doo?
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Kukuruyuk.
Indo chicken.
A cricket.
Um,
Creak, creak, creak. No. It's like creak, creak,
maybe
creak.
that's why we call it a cricket, because it sounds like the noise it makes.
It doesn't sound like cricket, cricket. It's more like creak, creak, creak. How about frogs?
Ribbit.
How do you spell it?
R-I-B-B-E-T.
Oh, ribbit. Ribbit. Kodok ngorek, kodok ngorek. Ngorek di pinggir kali gitu kan ya. Like a rabbit. Rabbit.
Ribbit.
Rabbit.
Ribbit.
A lion.
Roar.
Roar. In Indonesian would be aum. Aum.
I don't think I would be afraid of a lion in Indo. Aum.
Singa mengaum. Aum. Yeah. Mosquito.
It's gotta be Buzz.
Buzz.
Yeah.
Suara nyamuk tuh gimana ya? Well, yeah, that sounds like it, but I don't know what it's called. Berdengung ya, kayak ngung. Oh ya, ngung, ngung. Ngung, ngung gitu kan. Iya kan? Kalau bahasa Indonesia kan ngung ya, berdengung kan. So you call it buzz?
I think so.
So it's like, what do you call that animal? The one that makes honey?
Bee.
Bee. Alright, I guess that's all for today's video. Ini mungkin video tergaring kali ya guys. Krik, 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 krik. There's an awkward cricket sound right now.
Oh yeah, we forgot about turkey.
Turkey?
Gobble, 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 gobble.
We don't have turkey in Indonesia, so that's not very common.
Crickets is chirp.
Oke, jangan lupa share videonya ya guys ya. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.